It is certainly a big event happening in the capital city, hosted by the Hartford Gay and Lesbian Health Collective. And joining me this morning, we have DiLizia from the organization to tell us all about it. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
So I'm so excited to dig into this. Let's start with some background information on the organization for folks who may not be familiar with how you all provide help to people here in the capital city. What do you offer?
Absolutely. So the Hartford Gay and Lesbian Health Collective, as mentioned, has been around for 40 years at this point, and we offer a range of medical, dental, and support services to the LGBTQIA+ community. So for our medical services, that ranges from STD and STI testing, HIV testing and linkage to care, vaccinations. For our dental clinic, we have comprehensive dental services outside of basically surgical interventions, and we also do support services for people living with HIV, and that includes group therapy sessions, a food pantry in Manchester, and our main clinic area in Hartford.
Awesome, and I just can't imagine how much of a weight off of some people's shoulders it's been to have these services here, and knowing that they have somewhere safe and confidential that they can go to. What are some of the obstacles you think you all have seen over the past 40 years?
Well, absolutely. So the Hartford Gay and Lesbian Health Collective, we were the first LGBTQIA+ health center, nonprofit organization in the state of Connecticut, and one of the first in the country. We were the first LGBTQIA+ nonprofit, or really dental service period, in the state of Connecticut to offer services to people living with HIV and AIDS. And so really, when you think about it, this organization has seen the severe stigma that has been present in the LGBTQIA+ communities since 40 years ago, all the way up until now. And so, you know, having a place where people can come where they feel like they won't face either direct or systematic discrimination is very important, especially when you're going to get wellness services.
Absolutely, because, you know, we just can't imagine you're visiting somewhere to get care, you know, and people are inserting their personal opinions about you while they are providing that care.
And that's what, honestly, like, it makes it where people don't want to seek services. And if you don't seek services, you're not going to take care of your overall wellness.
Right. All right, so let's get to the big event. And it's called One Big Event. Now, how will this help you all continue to serve the community?
Absolutely. So our One Big Event Gala, you know, it's just an amazing time. It is the gala in the city of Hartford, in the state of Connecticut, where we really have the opportunity to raise essentially the majority of our critical funds that allow us to provide our medical, dental, and support services. So not only is it just a great time to drink and eat and spend time with friends and community, it's also a time to just support our organization and allow us to continue doing services for the next 40 years.
Okay, so it's all about having a good time, but for a good cause.
Yes, dress to impress.
Yeah, so when is it happening and where?
Okay, so it's going to be happening November 11th, starting at 7 p.m. At the Hartford Marriott downtown.
Okay, and are tickets still up for grabs?
Yes, so tickets are still up for grabs. You can go to www.hglhc.org.
All righty, thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a fantastic turnout at the event this year.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.